at 5. About 2 hours here. But still not bad. Although there's some people that still need to get visa on arrival.
Can't crush my shortbread biscuits.
Lauren's upset because the shortbread biscuits are all crumbly.
I went to eat them. Just had another roadside lunch. Now we're all packing up. We're going to head off to our campsite in Tanzania.
Angalia siku.
Fancy meal out.
Sorry. Thank you. An onion, hope no one minds. Man, you are sitting this bar too high.
We're here. It's about 7:30.
We've been driving since like 5 o'clock in the morning.
Our little tent. And then it's another early morning tomorrow. 4 o'clock set off. Can't wait. It is currently 5:20. We are going to catch the ferry to Zanzibar.
That camera on me. No.
Our ferry is at 7. It's been raining all night, so we have to take the tent down, but it's all wet. But excited for Zanzibar. Lovely rainy Zanzibar.
Make something.
Oh, my favourite. Bilimbi.
Oh, that is the most sour thing I've ever eaten in my life.
I quite like it.
My lips have gone numb. I hope it was the right thing.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, these trees, all these trees are cinnamon.
Smells like
I
Christmas.
hope you know cinnamon. That's why we are not at the top. So close. So what we call the pride of that.
We're at Fun Beach in Zanzibar.
Is this the right?
It's very rainy at the moment.
So we've just arrived at our first hotel in Zanzibar. We're here obviously with Gap 360, like we said, on the same tour, the Wild African Adventure Tour. I've just realised my hair is sticking out. We are very warm. It's been a very long day getting here. But yeah, we're here now. This is our lovely room.
This hotel is incredible.
It is, it's lovely. And then I'll just show you out here.
It's a nice break from camping.
Wow. Beautiful. Oh, I'll show you this bit as well. Mind Joe's sliders, they don't fit the aesthetic. So we're here for 2 nights. Again, this is included on the tour, and then we go to Stone Town and have a night in Stone Town as well. Fun Beach Hotel. yeah, we're all just enjoying having a nice room, air conditioning. We're enjoying having air conditioning. We're going to spend the rest of the evening relaxing by the pool and deciding what excursions we're going to do on our day tomorrow. But yeah, welcome to Zanzibar with Get 360. So we're just getting ready to go out and enjoy beautiful Zanzibar, but I thought it was worth noting, I can't remember if I said it before, this is included in the tour. So obviously I know it's like a camping tour, but you do get some hotels included in the stay as well. So 2 nights here and the night in Stone Town is included, which obviously this is not camping. So just worth noting, and obviously this is a little bit of luxury as well. I think it's a 4-star hotel. You don't get your meals included here other than breakfast, but it's not bad price anyway. So I think I just paid like $10 for a massive heap of pasta. Making use of the charger port gadgets. And yeah, we'll see you by the pool. So it is slightly overcast, but it's still very warm. We're going to go and head down to the beach and see what that's all about. As you can see, this is one very beautiful hotel. I would film, but we're all too busy playing a game called Crocodile. So yeah, and it's also raining, but it doesn't matter because the pool is like really warm.
Hey Lauren. Hey Lauren. Where are we going? Well, hopefully to a little food court. But it looks like we're just walking past some hotels. We've just come on a minibus about 10 minutes, 15 minutes down these little back alleyways. Looks like we're broken into the back of a hotel.
Yeah, that's how it was. That's an elephant.
So we've come to try and see some dolphins today. Very overcast, so we'll see. The beach is just over there.
Early morning-ish.
Another early morning, yeah. We'll see how it goes. Ignore that. saw all the dolphins, and you'll probably have seen the videos already on this video. And the weather's been really like hit and miss. It's been raining, and then yeah, we found this little sandbank, and here we are in the middle of Zanzibar on a sandbank, having just swum a pod of wild dolphins.
We have left Fun Beach and headed to Stone Town.
Now we're going to our next hotel, which is still part of the tour at the minute.
Yeah, so we've got one night here, which is part of the tour, but then we're actually staying here another night and flying back up to meet them.
Back in Arusha, but we have to sign off the tour to do that.
Yeah.
They're all treated very well, so...
Okay. They can look in the shop.
Our nice little room in Stone Town.
Yeah, all included in the Gap 360 tour.
Yeah, it's quite nice. It's got a gym and everything. Well, so it says.
It's right in the centre of Stone Town.
Yeah,
And
lots
it's got aircon.
aircon, lots of nice restaurants around. There's a pool as well. But you are only here one night, unless you stay and fly back and join up with them like we're doing.
Right? And after the beginning from Champions, see? This one is the liver tower. And this
First purchase on the market, a shawarma. Chicken shawarma, is that right?
Yeah, small chicken shawarma.
All the locals were there, so decided to go for it, and it's really nice.
It's very nice.
It was 5,000 for two, which is £1.60? No, it can't be. Yeah, £1.60 for two.
Around there.
Just got some chicken and some garlic naan. What is a sugar cane?
It's on the bone, so you gotta be careful.
That one's a pretty one.
There's free breakfast at this hotel, and we're going out on the Blue Safari tour.
Blue, I think it is.
Or Safari Blue tour. And it's pouring it down. So this is the Blue Lagoon, or nature's swimming pool. It is a bit rocky, so you might want some sea shoes. There's Lauren's modelling here. And it's a lot colder than the rest of the sea. Or at least it is today, so it might not be another time.
Slight disclaimer, if you see any underwater videos on this video, they are not our video clips, because our GoPro is just broke.
Big crack in the protector lens.
Someone
It
had
is
it
still
in his
water.
pocket, not secure.
It is still waterproof, but we're just not doing it. Look at that sky.
No.
It's better over this way. Let's look this way.
Do you know, if you Google online, apparently November's a good time to come to Zanzibar. We've had nothing but rain since we've got here. You can see how nice the island could be though. It's still nice, it's just rainy. We're on the Blue Safari / Safari Blue tour.
We're not entirely sure, well, it's both of them on Get Your Guide and TripAdvisor and stuff.
Yeah. This is a day where some of the group have had an extra day in Zanzibar and some of the group have gone back to mainland Tanzania. We have had an extra day here, so we've had to book flights from here to Arusha to meet the tour back up again. The flights were like £40 each, and it gives us an extra day in Zanzibar, so I feel like it was definitely worth it. You have to sign off the tour, then you sign back on the tour again tomorrow. Just gives you one extra night here. There's like 10 of us here that's done that, and 8 of us on this tour today. We booked this tour separately, not through the tour company. We've just done this by ourselves. The tour is $60 per person, and it includes lunch, and you go to like a Blue Lagoon and a couple of places to snorkel. Obviously we're here with 360's, as you already know, on their Wild African Adventure Tour. This, like I said, today is an add-on, but you do come to Zanzibar, you spend 2 days in a lovely hotel, which I'm sure you've already seen by now. 1 day in Stone Town, and then we've had the extra day in Stone Town. And then we're going to meet up with a group in Arusha to head to the Serengeti next, so that'll be absolutely incredible. We're going to do a hot air balloon, hopefully, if the weather's right, over the Serengeti to try and see the migration. Me and Joe were just in Kenya and we were trying to see the migration going to Kenya, and now we're in Tanzania and we're trying to see the migration coming back.
All thanks to Gap 360.
Yes.
And it's just starting to rain now, so I think other people are heading back to the boat. It seems to be rocking a little.
We're off to see a baobab tree.
Yes, please.
So we've had a nice seafood lunch, which is included in the tour, and now we are on our way back to the boat. I think that's the end of the tour now. It's hard to comment on it because obviously the weather's been a bit iffy, but I think if the weather was really nice, then yeah, it would be a really good way to see like the south of Zanzibar. The snorkeling was good actually, but it was like the visibility was quite low. So, ow. There's a lot of snails out there.
It's very stony.
Yeah, it is. But yeah, all the little sandbanks and stuff would look beautiful if it was sunny.
Oh god, yeah.
I mean,
it's
still paradise anyway, obviously.
Oh, it's still lovely, yeah. That tour's all done. It was very good. Absolutely soaking on the way back. It rained the whole time, but that's just the weather at the moment, so it is part of that rainy season.
Okay, banana. What else?